Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be, wherever you're at on this lovely spinning orb we inhabit, called Earth. Whew. No, I'm not in the Rocky Mountains. It's only supposed to be 90 degrees. Feels like 110 to me. Pretty good view though. Deer print. It's not the San Juan Mountains. Let's see if I can get this to bling out. Anything? One of these days I'm gonna spend some money on some gear when Yuma freezes over. Ja. All right, folks. Be well. Stay hydrated. Thanks for joining along. Boomer Bob, moving along.